Alright, June 16th, Saturday, 2018. This is what I got here. Got the scoop in there. I'm going to block up most of the hole so that when I hammer and the gob of bees comes falling down from up there and lands in the bottom, they're not going to, like, half of them fly in my face. They're going to all land in there, and hopefully I'll be able to scoop them down into the box down here, into the makeshift hive. And and I got some sage and oregano that I rolled up in some corn husk there, which I'm going to ignite and try to blow into that pipe, and hopefully that's going to calm them down a little bit before I get started. So yeah, let me get that going and get them smoked up here, and then I'll turn it back on here. That seemed to work pretty good. That lit up fairly easily. Burned my hand a little bit, but I kind of shotgunned it in there. So, yeah. Alright, so let's hammer this thing and see what I'm going to put the camera back over here. Focus. Take the camera over here to dispense. You'll be able to see what's going on here. So, yep, I'm going to hammer the wall up here. Whoa, that was a shitload of bees. Oh my God. There is like a whole scoop that I dropped in there. Check this out. I mean, look how many bees are in there. That is like... Alright, well, I think I got about half of them in there. Let me get the scoop back in here. Easy, guys, easy. So these guys are really nice and friendly. They're letting me do all this. Ooh, look at that. I'm not saying he wanted to sting me, but come on, guys. There you go. Get that back up there. Alright, cool. Look at him. Look at him coming in and out of there now. They might just get the idea. I gotta keep going. I gotta keep scooping. I gotta try to get some more in there. At least they're not falling all the way down to the bottom where I can't get them now. They're all landing in the scoop pretty much. Need to take a drywall pan. Try to get these. Get some of those in there. Put those in. They fly out of there pretty quick. And I got some of them in there. Boy, come on, guys, get out of the way. I want to get closed in there. There you go. Yeah, whoever says bees sting you, I don't know, man. They seem pretty nice. Look, I got a bunch of them in there. Hopefully, if I could get enough in there to keep going back. That would be great. These ones on the edge of the box there for some reason. Man, if I could knock that queen down and get her in the box, that would be the best. The other thing is my vacuum. I got to vacuum into another container. You can't just vacuum them into the vacuum. All right, well, I just gave him another blast of smoke and didn't get as big a scoop that time, I think, because most of them are on the outside of the door now. So I'm going to let it settle down, but I do have a lot inside there. I mean, there is a huge amount in there. I don't know if you can see in there or not. I don't think so. You want it kind of dark in there, but they doing a lot more around the entrance now. Tasting it, and they seem to be like vibrating and wiping their whiskers a lot. Sticking their tails up in the air. Oh wow, all that sound's coming from in there. That is just inside the box. I can hear them in there. Oh wow, that is incredible. Well, I don't have to wonder if we have enough bees around here anymore. I think we have enough bees. My girlfriend doesn't want bees now anymore. She's like, yeah, we gotta get rid of these things, take them down the road somewhere and dump them off. It's like, now that we've got bees, you want to get rid of them. You read something on the internet, you get all worried about it. Oh, we need bees. We gotta help the bees. Well, I'm gonna let them calm down. Let the sun go down. Sun's not down yet. Alright, we've actually got a lot of traffic. I've seen them going in and see there, one just landed and went in. So they are going in and out of the box. There's another one just. Of course, we still have quite a few up here too. Don't have them all on the outside of the door now. So they're definitely calming down a little bit. I'm going to give them a few more minutes. Sun's going down. I'm going to try to get another scoop of them in the box. Definitely hear a lot of bees in there. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I popped that open. Ooh, might have crushed a couple there. Tried opening that up a little and a bunch came out, so try to open that to scoop more in. I might get a bunch in there. I might get a bunch coming out of the box. There's a bunch in there already. There's still a lot inside that wall though. Well, I'm seeing a lot more coming out.